In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location services on Google Chrome. This can be particularly useful for better search results, personalized recommendations, or simply getting the most accurate maps and directions while you're browsing the web. Let's delve into the process step by step so that you can easily follow along and make sure your browser's location settings are just the way you need them. To kick things off, the first thing you'll want to do is open your Google Chrome browser. At the top right corner of your Chrome window, you should see three small vertical dots. They're grouped together like a tiny tower. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu. This is essentially your gateway to a lot of Chrome's features and settings, so it's a handy spot to get familiar with if you're not already. Once you have that menu open, you'll want to look for the Settings option and select it. The Settings window is like the control center for your browser, where you can change and customize various features to enhance your browsing experience. Next, move your attention to the left-hand side of the Settings window. You'll see a menu list there, and what you need to do is find the option labeled Privacy and Security. Give it a click. In this section, you'll find various settings focused on keeping your web activity secure and private, which includes managing your location settings. Continuing from here, you're going to choose Site Settings. Now, Site Settings is where you can control specific permissions for websites, enabling or restricting things like cookies, camera access, and crucially for us today, location settings. Scroll through this list of settings until you find Location. Depending on your Chrome version, it might be a bit down the way, so keep scrolling until you spot it. Clicking on Location takes you into the section where you can manage how websites interact with your device's location services. Finally, the setting you're interested in here is labeled as Sites Can Ask for Your Location. This toggle provides websites with the ability to request access to your location information while you're browsing. To enable this feature, ensure that the toggle is switched to the on position. By doing this, you'll allow sites to prompt you whenever they seek your location data, giving you the choice to permit or deny access based on each instance. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully enabled location services on Google Chrome, which should pave the way for an enhanced browsing experience tailored to your specific location needs. If at any point you want to adjust these settings again, simply follow these same steps. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.